Hi, I'm Jane from A to Z Ozone, and today I want to talk to you about a time when our MP-8000 ozone generator helped a young couple who lived in an RV down by the Ohio River get clean water. In our area, the Ohio River separates Louisville, Kentucky from Jeffersonville, Indiana. The Ohio River isn't as old and windy as the Mississippi River, but it has a similar muddy appearance. This young couple used their ingenuity. They wanted to use ozone to solve the water supply issues, so they ran a common garden hose from the river to filtering buckets that were filled with sand. Then they used a 1-micron filter to further filter the water. The water accumulated in a tank. The ozone went into the tank through tubing. A diffuser stone dispersed the ozone into the water. Soon the murky look of the water had a crystal clear appearance. They used the water for cleaning, flushing their toilet, and bathing. And they had had the water tested and the water had passed. And that is a story of how one young couple used our MP-8000 ozone generator to get clean water. Thank you for watching.